How to log in to Shakepay account. So if you want to log in to Shakepay account, then first of all open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Shakepay, and after searching, on the first search you will have shakepay.com. Click on that, and now if you want to log into your Shakepay account, then you have to go to the upper right corner which says sign in, and it will take you to the sign in or login page. And now to log in, first you have to enter your email address on the first blank, and after entering your email address on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you have to click on reset password, and then you can reset your password or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter your password, and after entering your information you can click on sign in. And that's it. That's how you log in or sign into your Shakepay account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.